What is up, guys? And today we're going to talk about how you can grow your business with content and the growth authority system. So let's get going. But first of all, thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, coach, consultant, and you want to increase your visibility, your cash flow online, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how you can turn just 15 to 30 minutes of work every week into over 500 pieces of deployed content every single month. This is literally the game changer for people who discover it. As Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, and all the top influencers tell you, the more content that you create, the more money you'll make. It's really that simple. You may be saying, well, I'm new to business and I don't have anything to sell yet. Well, even if that's the case, you're going to learn a ton in this video, but specifically for you, right at the end of this video, there's going to be a specific plan of action for you. Now, in the next few minutes, like 10 to 12 minutes, you're going to get a ton of value. Honestly speaking, if you can't focus for 10 to 15 minutes, then this video is not for you. People get distracted really quickly these days, and one of the first things you need to learn is to settle down, get a pen and paper, and just relax and learn for a few minutes. I'm going to get straight to the point. In this video, you're going to learn about the growth authority system. It means you're going to create and deploy over 500 pieces of content every month, turn that content into conversations, and then monetize, which is what it's all about. This is what took me to 10K, 20K, and past 40K a month, and getting past $500,000 earned online since I used exactly the same system. And it's not just me. One of my clients, Adam, he's already passed 10, 12K a month, and he's already smashing it online. More about Adam as we go through this presentation. Well, who's this down here? That's Simon Cowell. Yeah, I met Simon Cowell. How is that relevant to you? Well, celebrities help to gain more notoriety, more exposure for you and your business. But I'm going to cover that in a few minutes. So who am I? I've been earning six figures for over 20 years. Built a seven-figure property portfolio and passed 25, 30K per month on multiple occasions. So just check out this video on some more details of my earnings just to show you where I'm. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly jump across to my Stripe account here. This is one of our Stripe accounts, and just I'm updating this live. So let's go to the 16th of December. We can say from 16th December to January, we had a gross volume of about 25k pounds, which is not far from $30,000. So why am I showing you this? This is not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible when you start to build and scale online. But let me tell you, I am absolutely nothing special. If I can do it, so can you. But what is my superpower? If there's one thing that I've got, is that I will never ever give up. It's called persistency. If you do not give up, you'll fail, you'll keep on learning, and you'll keep on developing. If you're a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, any kind of business, and you want to get past 10K per month or just add and scale your business, this is going to be the video for you. Now back to my client, Adam. He's now being invited onto stages to talk about his journey. He's raised multiple six figures for his property investments and the investment arm of his company. He's also passed 10K per month on multiple occasions just from his coaching business, which he developed on the side of building his content. And he's just getting started. Check out this video. So Adam, just tell me, when you started with me, where were you at? What were you doing? And yeah, where are you now? Just tell me the story.
So I was an operations manager at the time. I just carried on earning money in a job till 2018. I lost my mother unexpectedly. She was ill. She went into hospital for an operation. Everything went fine, and then there was complications of surgery, and one thing led to another, and she ended up passing away. And that caused something in me I was angry for a very long time because I thought somebody had done something wrong. So there's a lot of fear going on, which I now realise I was operating from a base of so couldn't sleep. Ended up riding that storm out.
But you have actually raised quite a lot of money, right?
Yes, so over 300 grand.
Have you heard of Matt Fidesz? Matt Fidesz is worth well over £100 million, and now he's one of my clients, and we're in the process of announcing multiple partnerships. We have Daniel Chow. He, and along with Nate Bockers, have built an online business, and again, he's one of the people I helped out when he was first starting with YouTube, and again, he's earning multiple six figures now, simply doing the same thing, creating content online and just smashing it. I've got loads of other testimonials which I'll show you later on. The point is they're all creating content and leveraging that content, and it's by using the growth authority system. And let me show you how that works. And as I said earlier, if you're a complete beginner and never sold anything online, it's fine. I've got something for you again. Just wait till the end of the video. So what is the growth authority system? Let's just break it down. To begin with, it's always about your mindset. Start off by working out, what is your why? What is your why? Why are you doing things? For me, I want to help my family and then help poor people. That's the only thing. It does not interest me having lots of flash cars or really expensive watches. It makes no difference to me whatsoever. What does make a difference to me is how many people that are poor that we can help. One of my recent holidays, I really enjoyed sitting at a local market. I didn't sell anything. I just went for a photo opportunity. But yeah, it was really a lot of fun. After your why, you need to develop a bulletproof mindset. You must take responsibility for everything. Do not complain. And you need to be comfortable being uncomfortable. The people who make the most, the people who get the biggest results are the ones who are comfortable when things aren't right, because that's where you grow. And as I said earlier, never, ever give up. So let's get into the foundations. Now, the foundation is content. You may have heard of these guys, Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzhi. They're both worth well over 100 million. And of course, this billionaire, Grant Cardone himself. Let's make this picture a bit bigger. Now, all of these guys, all are masters of content. Now, on the subject of billionaires, I had a real life billionaire on my podcast. His name's Alfie Best. And well, why do we start to get billionaires and people of this level coming in? Well, because it adds visibility to what we're doing. And you can do that as well if you join our group. So let's go into how the CAS really works. Now, grab a pen and paper, as I guarantee you, this is where you can get a ton of value. Now, first of all, you need to understand who your audience is. Look and build content for your audience and work on your unfair advantage. Now, what does it mean, unfair advantage? So for me, I can't do women's makeup. I have no interest in it. It's certainly not my unfair advantage. I know a little bit about how to market, but I would never ever do this kind of thing. I can do business, making money online, real estate, property, as I know something about them and I enjoy the subjects. In general, stick to the following niches or areas: health, wealth, and relationships. And when you get that particular niche sorted, you want to find a client or a person who has a specific problem. So for example, I find business owners who aren't getting enough attention. So the solution for them, from my perspective, is the growth authority system. I create lots of content, get them connected with people. So that's the solution. And that gives them the result of getting more clients, more visibility, which gives them revenue. And this is what you want to do. This is what's called the consulting equation. A client, a solution, a result gives you money. So how do you do this? Once you have the product market fit, once you have the core problem that you're trying to fix, now you start to produce content. Now, content, you can just learn 4 main kinds of content to begin with: lifestyle, familiarity, value, and call to action. So lifestyle is, well, a little bit about me. What am I doing? Am I going to the gym? What am I doing? Familiarity, so you can be kind of telling people what kind of things you're doing. Value is where you're teaching people things. And a CTA, call to action, telling people, giving them a way in which they can connect with you. Now, when you start to make these kind of content, like these subjects with like 5, 10, 15, 20-second videos, you can then repurpose them to send out to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, and many other places. So now you're getting content going everywhere, and there's a specific system on how we do. Now, once you have the content, the next thing you want to do is start to do what I call structured outreach. Now, when you're giving people content, it gives you the option or the opportunity for people to connect with you. So we got different things. One of the things we call is the honeypot post. We make something that says, hey, if you want to find out about how to earn 10K per month, making just kind of 5 videos a week, let me know and I'll get you some details. That's an example of a honeypot post. But these are things that you'll learn on the program if you decide to come and work with us. So when you learn how to leverage outbound connections, you'll start to connect with 50 to 100 people every single day without you needing to be on your computer all the time. And once you learn how to send messages, guys, it's a lifelong skill you'll never ever forget. And here's one of my guys, Matt, who earned 3K, and other people just commenting on that from within my group. So once you get past this stage, you've got content, conversations, you're going to learn about sales. And you're going to learn an introduction to sales. turning conversations into clients and earning your first few thousand online. As you can see here, Adam and Hardy commenting on where Adam passed his first 11k a month. Absolutely bonkers. Now, once you're getting past this stage, there are literally 2 tiers. Tier 1, the key outcomes are you're going to get to around 10k per month. And if you do the work regularly, I absolutely promise to guarantee you will get there. I've done this myself. A number of my clients have also passed this. Now, tier 2 is when you want to take things to the next level, is where you start to learn about hiring your first staff. And guys, this is the game changer. When you learn how to delegate, hire people in, your business will balloon. Using virtual assistants, appointment setters, this is literally life-changing kind of thing. And once you have this, you need to start to document what we call standard operating procedures, which means that new staff coming in will know exactly what to do if one person steps away. The next level is building out and scaling your sales machine. And that means you'll start to leverage the assets, which are your digital assets, all the content that we've been making, and start to scale past 10k per month. And the final part is fulfillment, making sure that your clients are being taken care of in the right way, and then building and collecting client testimonials like the ones I've showed you today. Now, it's decision time. Action is the difference between success and failure. As you see here, Rasna and Adam both hitting over 10k. But as a business owner, consultant, if you want to increase your exposure, you've got to take action. Knowledge is no longer power. Everyone has knowledge. There's, you can find YouTube videos like this one in many other places. But if you want to take action, that's where you're going to see the different results. So now you have the blueprint to take your online earnings and business to the next level. But you have 2 choices. You can go ahead and try and do this yourself and put up with the noise and spend your own time and money trying to work out what works and what doesn't. You can make the videos yourself, try and hire people, and I will give you some hints to do that, but I'm telling you, it'll take you a long time. Or you can have a chat with me or one of my team with a no commitment 30-minute consultation session where we will plan out in detail how you can get your business to the next level. And I will honestly say to you, if you're not a good fit to work with us, I'm not going to give you any kind of suggestion or offer. And I'll just give you lots of information. There's always lots of videos being released on this channel that you can take benefit from. If you are a good fit, then I will suggest something to you to say, well, how about we do X, Y, or Z? So there's nothing for you to lose. Just click the link below and book a call, and it'd be great to talk to you. But what if you don't have a business yet? Well, as I said right at the start, even if you're just starting out, I've got something for you. If you're willing to do the work, literally all you need is a laptop and 2 to 3 hours a day. I'll get you past 5k a month. So now you have no excuses. All you need to do is message me, connect with me on the links below, and we'll talk really, really soon.